Hey, we're back at it, and we've got about 45 yards of carpet to put in today. Chris, my friend, is getting on staple removing. So what we're just doing is where the carpet cushion was, we are just going to take a 4-inch scraper, scrape these out. But we're going to kind of just show you another installation, the process we go through. I'll show you the other room here. We got some water damage there to address. The plywood's in good shape, just needs some new tack strip. Kind of some funky layouts in this upstairs, but it's gonna be a fun job. So we'll check in with you in a little bit here where we're probably putting the carpet cushion down. So we got this room cleaned up, it's ready to go. Like I said, we're just gonna remove that tack strip. We'll put some new in there. That water damage, it was just, good thing this is plywood, it dried out. So it's not, flaking off or anything like that. We're also gonna reuse the old tack strip. I shouldn't call it old, but the existing tack strip. It is just fine. I like to use tri-tack, these being bedrooms, and the carpet that we're putting in, it's got a nice backing, it'll stick just fine to that. The only issue we have with it is it was installed with underlayment staples, 1-inch underlayment staples. And a lot of guys in my area do that. I don't know that's a bad thing, but the issue with it is those staples are smooth. And when you stretch, in my opinion, when you stretch properly like you're supposed to, that tack strip, that staple's just not enough to hold the tack strip. It's gonna want to peel up. So we're just gonna go back with some 1.25 inch. I think it just ring shanks is all they are. And we'll fasten that down. The reason you want to use that, I like that ring shank, it's kind of like a screw. It's got that little texture there. It bites into the wood so it doesn't pull out. So stay tuned. Time for the cushion. All right, we're using, Carpenter makes it, the spill guard. I actually this is all I use unless something else is specified, but we've gotten to the point now, even our in-stock carpet, the stuff that we do the deals, the roll specials on, we just figure Carpenter cushion, the spill guard. It's just so much, it makes the installation so much easier. And as an installer, I can appreciate it. So Chris is in there just battling away with the closet. Nothing too exciting about carpet cushion. I mean, it's just, I sometimes think it's one of those overlooked parts of the installation and the sale of carpet too. It is pretty important, but I've got everything just cut in here and getting ready to staple it down and get the carpet up here. And that room over there, we're pretty fortunate. That one's got it's just a drop, and then this one there's going to be a seam over there. So going to be kind of just, it's nice to have these days. We always call these days back to the basics, because when I got in installation years ago, this is just, we did a lot of carpet, and since my business has grown and progressed, we've just got into more and more complicated jobs, bigger, larger scale jobs where you're not in and out, you're moving in for a while, it seems like. So anyway, stay tuned, exciting things to happen. Don't you love using the carpet cushion bags for garbage bags? They're beautiful. Mohawk has one that I think they're coming out with shortly. Or maybe they've already come out with it. They just probably wait until surfaces.
What is that? What, nylon? Or what is that?
No, it's going to be either a smart strand or polyester. But it's
Well, I mean for the backing where Well, I guess let you walk up a little bit first. Straighten it out, and then I'll walk up and bend it.
Yep, that's probably going to be the best idea.
Alright.
I'll wait for you.
Alright, I'm on.
Same thing.
Open over that so it doesn't scrape.
seam is done. And just in case you guys are wondering, this is that new Roberts toolbox. I bought the thing like a year ago, and I'm not the biggest fan of it, truthfully, I'm not. But I just saw today, and it's got that Teflon plate for putting the seam together. So I thought, hey, I bet these guys would like to see me put a seam together without having to listen to the seamer down now going in there. And in case you're wondering also, yes, we do seam seal seams, thermoplastic adhesive. So anyways, keep watching. Not really sure if anybody's interested, but what does a floor covering installer in North Central Iowa eat for lunch every day? You're looking at it. Ham sandwich and apple, or that's the staple. And then every once in a while I'll throw in either like a pasta salad or maybe some carrots, maybe even some sort of side salad, lettuce salad. But pretty boring lunch every day, but easy to pack and easy to maintain. One room down, one more to go. Get this job done. Look at that. That is probably the greatest bandage you're ever going to see. So you guys, actually, I wish I didn't have the video on time lapse. I would have made a good video. You got, I reached in for my carpet knife and kind of wobbled and boom, knife went right in like that. It made me kind of queasy just doing it again, but I'm gonna, hey, you guys are all on the same boat as I am, and if you're an installer watching this, you've all been there, so I'm not really going to cry about it. It does hurt, but guys, I was just kidding. That really does kind of hurt. So big thing is I just need to get to stop bleeding, but I've got Chris, and you know what, Chris, this is a great time to learn how to power stretch some carpet. So Chris is, he's not new to the power stretcher. He has used it before, but, just like anything, you're going to have to do it a couple times to get good at it. So he's going to do a great job for me. I know he will. He's under good supervision as well. All right, guys. Chris is putting the final touches on this room. Not a big project, but a little bit of drama today with the hand. That's, hey, but we had fun with it. Kept working. Still a good day as far as I'm concerned. And we got this room done. So, hey, we're just going to keep hopefully making some fun videos like this. Just kind of the day in the life of flooring installer. And hopefully we throw some LVP, some ceramic tile, whatever else. Maybe a little hardwood. And just show you how we do things here in North Central Iowa. Thanks, guys.